is Kids Toys Guide, and we are here reviewing Vengeance, a radio-controlled all-terrain race car. We are going to see its features, see what's good about this car, and have a test drive. Actually, but it comes in two colors, black and red. So the picture you see on the back is a red car. So I just unpacked the box, and here's what comes: a car, instructions, an RC remote control, and the charger that charges the battery that runs the car. Radio-controlled all-terrain race car can offer you hyperspeed racing on any terrain with oversized knobby torque for increased traction and high-speed performance. It has four-wheel suspension for racing on uneven terrain. Dual-speed high-low gear switch for better speed control. Full-function remote control available in 2 frequencies for competitive racing. So we are going to test drive the car. Here's how you go forward. To go forward, you press this part back. To go backwards, you press this is forwards. To go left, you do that. To go left and forward, you do this and forward. To go back and left, you do that. You do left and back. To do right and back, you do right and back. To do right and front, and the car slows down. And the car slows down.